we're told that the volume of oil remaining in a storage tank is represented by the equation of a straight line. V is equal to 10 minus 2t, where t is the time in hours and v is the volume in litres. So we've got to draw a straight line graph to represent the volume of oil remaining in the storage tank between 0 and 4 hours. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is put a time axis in. And we know that's going to go between 0 and 4. So you want to make your life as easy as possible here. So you want to label the axis, time, and the unit is hours. And we know we're going between 0 and 4. So that's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So very important to make the scale easy to use. So I've used every 10 squares. You definitely don't want to be choosing every 7 or every 3 squares or something like that. Now we need a y-axis. So let's put that in. Going up from the 0. And we'll put another arrowhead in there. Okay. And that's going to be the volume in litres. So we can just put V there and then L for litres. So the equation they've given us is V is equal to 10 minus 2t. They've told us the time values to use, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the quickest way to do this, there is more than one way of doing it, is to construct a little table here. So we'll put t here. I wouldn't do this on the graph in real life. I'd do it over to the side. So we'll go 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we just put those t values into our equation. So negative 2 multiplied by 0 is just 0. So 10 minus 0 is 10. Then we put 1 in for our t value. So 2 times 1 is 2. 10 minus 2 is 8. And if you do that for all the values, in this case, you'll find that the numbers step down by 2 every time we increase the t value by 1. Okay, so it goes 10, 8, 6, 4, 2. So now we've got an idea of the range of our v values, and we can see it goes from 2 to 10. So let's do 0 to 10. Again, we want to make our life nice and easy. So there's the 0. So if we go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now I need to move that litres symbol. Okay, so in the exam, you're probably better off doing the scale first. Okay, so now it's simply a case of plotting our points. 0, 10. So that's there. It's tricky. I'm doing this on a touch screen, so it's a bit tricky to do it accurately. So let me zoom in a minute. Try and do a proper job for you. So, oops, let's just fix that. So there's 0, 10. Then we've got 1, 8. So that's going to be there. I'll zoom out in a moment to show you that these are in the right spot. 2, 6 is there. Zoom out a minute. Then we want 3, 4. And finally 4, 2. And then what we want to do is join those up with a straight line. Okay, so I'm going to use the straight line tool, but obviously in the exam, you're going to be using a ruler to ensure you get a straight line. There we go. Okay, so just to recap, 0, 10, there's 0 on the time axis, 10 on the v-axis. 1, 8, that's 1 on the time axis, 8 on the v-axis. 2, 6, 3, 4, 4, 2. So again, the key is to make everything nice and clearly labeled. Again, I would do a better job if I wasn't on a touch screen, but you can still see that, let's improve that. Let's fix it. Let's get rid of that V. We'll tidy that up a little bit. So there's V in litres, time in hours. My numbers are clearly marked on the scales. both axes. Each point is clearly plotted, and I've got a nice straight line going through the whole thing. So that's that one complete.